don't know that. No, I'm not as good as Cristiano Ronaldo, for certain. He's been, you know, so consistent every single year for, I don't even know how long I mean, 15 years. Him and Messi are, you know, in a league of his own, much like Marta was for the bulk of her career. That's very flattering, but I'll leave Cristiano to Portugal. He's incredible. He's, you know, if he won it again this year, it'd be much deserved, I think, for all three of the men. Same for all three of us that are nominated. We're working on that. We're trying to go get after it from all angles. I know it will increase dramatically how close we'll get to the men. I think that it will take a lot longer than you know, 4 years from now, but the whole idea is that we continue to close the gap, and we're hopeful that FIFA is aligned with us on our views.